Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Got another case for you for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This case is made by Temdan. Heavy shockproof case for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Now you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Temdan Heavy Shockproof case for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And it's 12-foot military drop protection, upgraded airbag protection, hardback cover with inner lining, tough, rugged, full body protection. All right. Here's some pictures right here. It does look like it offers a lot of protection. They said 360-degree full protection, but I doubt that. You don't have a screen protector or anything like that. They do have a case that does that, but this is not it. At least from what I can tell. We'll see when we take it out of the box, all right? But pretty tough. Now, you can get this for $12.74 on Prime. You get them in different colors. You get them black, blue, red, and yellow. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at this case. Okay, here's the box this case comes in. Phone case, pretty simple, nothing much on the box here. A little bit of literature on the back. Let's pull this out. All right. Now, Temdan does make a 360-degree case. I didn't think this. Yeah, this is not 360-degree. I didn't think it was, but it's pretty rugged, you know, as far as how it's built. So, as you can see, you got some instruction right there. Take that out. Let's get this stuff here to the side. But here's the case. Now, so what they did was, this is almost like the one I reviewed earlier, except that one had a clear back. But this is a similar case, but just don't have a screen protector on it. All right, so you're going to get rugged protection here. And it's a dual layer case as well. You can see that right there. You got a hard polycarbonate back, TPU inside to soft protection. You got a little pattern there. And the camera's going to be well protected. You see that deep recess right there? It's going to be well protected. All right, and you got a spot for your S Pen, the speaker and the charging port and the mic right there. And you got your mic hole right there. You got a little bit of detail on the corners right there, a little shiny area indented there. I think that's what they call the air pocket. You got the volume down rocker, power button right there. In the case, has a little bit of grain on the back, but it's fairly smooth. On the side has good grip, so you're not going to have a problem there, all right? Now, let's go ahead and get the S22 Ultra and put it inside and see how it looks. Okay, here's the S22 Ultra. Let's go ahead and pop this inside. Now, this is going to be a rugged case for you. If you are a person that drops your phone a lot and you want good protection, it's going to do it. Now, you can see everything comes up high. This is not real high, but it's going to protect the device. You can see that curve right there. It curves up a little bit. So it's going to protect your device, and then it comes up high on the side as well. So screen protectors might be difficult to use on this, but it will protect the sides. So I think that's for those who want that side protection on the side glass. You're going to get it with this right here. This doesn't feel too bulky, but it does add a little bit more bulk to the device. All right. Power button works fine, no problem. Everything lines up on the bottom right there. You can see that mic hole right there, charging port, and same thing right here. You can see the mic hole as well. Yeah, no problem right there. And then you got your cameras well protected, no problem there, okay? Now, this is going to be a good protective case for you. Those corners right there. So if you're looking for something that's inexpensive, but it's going to offer you good protection, this might be it for you, okay? Nice case. It doesn't look bad. You know, I mean, I could use this, but, you know, I don't like thick cases. I don't drop my phone, you know, hardly, and so I'm okay with that. Now, let's get the wireless charger and see how wireless charge works. Okay, we got the wireless charger right here. Let's pop it on and see what happens. So it does pick up wireless charge laying down. Let's stand it up, see what happens there. All right, so it picked up wireless charge standing up. Let's lay it down on the side and see what happens there. So it picked it up on the side as well. So wireless charge works, no problem. For all the wireless chargers out there, you're gonna have no problem with this case right here. It's pretty thick, but it does work, okay? Okay, so that was a quick look at the Temdan rugged case for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Pretty good case, inexpensive, going to offer good protection for you. Not 360-degree, but it will protect your device from drops up to 12 feet, and the sides are going to be protected as well, right, in the camera, okay? And it does do wireless charge. Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.